I'm making a yellow themed phone case. Let's start by making a camera inspired by something I saw on Pinterest. I'm using a simple black pen, but if you are a bit nervous, feel free to sketch it out with a pencil first. So my camera is ready. Let's bring it to life with this bright yellow marker. Let's give it some details. So remember, these videos aren't just about you copying me, but it's all about letting your creativity flow. So here's how it works. Just choose a color and whatever objects come to your mind that naturally fit those colors, just draw them. And also, the best part about this activity is that you are playing with different shades and different tones of the same colors, so there is no way to mess it up, and the final result will always be great. I just remembered Snapchat is also yellow, so I'm adding a Snapchat icon too. So for the photograph, I'm making little daisies here. Now this spot needed something, so I'm drawing a bee. I also paired it with a be kind message, so it adds a nice touch of positivity. Alright, time to tackle the background. I'm filling it with hearts, layer after layer. I'm using 3 shades of yellow. It's up to you, you can use more than 3 shades. As I work on my background, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. So it's a fun random pattern, and before you know it, the background is completely covered. It will look super cool with all these layered hearts. Trust me. The cover was looking a bit plain to me, so I cut out some daisies and pasting them on the camera just to give it a little pop. And here it is made by just using markers and colors. Who can tell?